Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Anovus Smart AirTag wallet. Now, you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $50. I repeat, $50. All right, now let me pull up the website so you can see where I got it from. This is from AnovusBrand.com. Okay, let's check it out. Anovus is much more than a brand name. It's a reimagined way of life, redefining living in luxury. Okay, Anovus Smart AirTag wallet, price $50. Now it comes in 3 colors. You got black, there's your brown, and there's your mocha. Quick product description: a premium leather smart wallet, perfect for slim storage and quick card access. The built-in card holder fans out your cards at the click of a button and protects them against skimming. Made for Apple AirTag. All right, so all of that for $50. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Now, this is one of those impulse buys. All right, I was scrolling through Instagram. I got an ad for this. I decided to buy it and check it out. So let's check it out together. Okay, let's see anything on the back. PU leather, genuine leather. All right, so genuine leather is checked. All right, so this is real leather. I went with the black. Okay, inside, little packing paper. This is going to be your wallet. And of course, got your usual books and shit. Plug them, file them to the side. Now let me do the smell test on this real quick. Yeah, this is definitely real leather. Now in the back, you got a little slot for your AirTag. The wallet opens up like this. So you got slots for your cards. Got a little slot right here for your money. And of course, for your credit cards, got a little lever right here. All right, so let me go ahead and set this up and we'll try it out. Talk amongst yourselves. Oh, wait a minute. Before y'all start talking, ladies and gentlemen, late but still great, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes.
I love my white shoes.
Calm down. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, here's how the wallet is going to look set up for day-to-day action. Nice, small wallet, fits right in the palm of your hand. Genuine leather. Premium build quality to this one. Now, in the back, you got a little slot for your AirTag. Just unsnap it, drop the AirTag in, and it locks right into place. All right, this is not coming off. Now, on the inside, you got 2 magnets. That's going to keep your wallet from flapping open. Okay, now if we open it up, on the inside, got business card on this side, another card on this side, and some money. Now, just for dramatic effect, I threw about $100 in here. So that means you can put a lot of money in here if you want, and it'll still lock into place. Now, the best part about this wallet, bang, get to your cards at the press of a button. Now, you can fit up to 6 cards in here. Bang, check it out. All right, so you get to the register, they fan out, and you pick the card that you need. Now, for dramatic effect, of course, I got my Apple card, PayPal, the White Shoes Discover card, my regular debit card, driver's license, and a little business card. All right? And now when you want to install them, you just drop them right in there. Now, check this out. Maximum shakage. They will not come out. Get to the register. Bang. Charge it to the game. This is so sick. All right, $50 on this. This is the wallet that you didn't know you needed. Not to mention, check this out. Now you go somewhere, you lose your wallet. All you have to do, all right, Flossy's wallet in the Find My app, play sound. And there it is. Never lose your wallet. Not to mention, the AirTag is the second dopest part about this, but the best part, bang. I love this. All right, this is my new favorite wallet right here, the Anovus Smart AirTag wallet. Okay, $50 on a scale of 1 to 10. This is a major go. Charge it to the game. Anyway, Anovus Smart AirTag wallet. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays, Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.